Fruits and vegetables are great for our diet. However, when we buy them from our local shops, they can already be contaminated as they've been through a long process of being planted, cared for, stored, transported, and handled. According to the World Health Organization, food contaminated by bacteria, viruses, parasites, or harmful chemicals cause more than 200 diseases, ranging from diarrhea to cancer. For this reason, it's very important not only to wash food with tap water, but also to disinfect it properly. In this The Daily Eco video, we're going to show you how to naturally disinfect your fruits and vegetables. Tips for a successful disinfection. To wash fruits and vegetables properly, be sure to follow these tips. Wash fruits and vegetables before peeling or cutting them. When you wash them with their peel or skin, you prevent pathogens that may be in the bark from penetrating inside. Vegetables such as lettuce or cabbage should be washed leaf by leaf and drained well. The outer leaves must be removed since it's the part where the most pollutants have accumulated. Peeled fruits and vegetables should be rubbed under water with a brush to remove excess dirt. You should always cut the stems of fruit after washing them, never before. This way, you prevent germs from entering through the cut or torn part. Check that the table or counter that you are going to use is clean and sanitized. Now that you know what you must take into account to disinfect fruit and vegetables correctly, let's dive into the steps you'll need to do. Steps to disinfect fruits and vegetables. Before starting, wash your hands well so as to not further contaminate your fruits and vegetables. Place the food for at least 2 minutes under the tap or in a container with water. To disinfect, you can use several natural products that we will explain later on so that you can choose the one you have at your fingertips. If you're going to cut or cook food after disinfecting it, you must also disinfect the utensils you're going to use. Otherwise, all the previous cleaning would not have worked. Wash your hands after you are done handling your produce. Next, we explain what natural products you can use to disinfect your fruits and vegetables and how to use them well. Baking soda. This is a cheap and easy to find product as it's a staple in many households thanks to its many uses. In addition to disinfecting fruits and vegetables, baking soda is also used for cooking and to treat certain health problems. For a successful disinfection, you have to dilute a tablespoon of baking soda in a liter of water. Then soak your fruits and vegetables inside for 10 minutes. Vinegar. Like baking soda, vinegar is a very common household product. It's cheap and also easy to get in any local food store. It's considered one of the best natural disinfectants that exists, since it eliminates any type of bacteria thanks to its acidic acid and its powerful antimicrobial effect. In addition, it's very good for our health and does not have any toxic effects. To use it, you have two options. Either dilute a glass of vinegar in a liter of water and soak the fruits and vegetables for 10 minutes, or spray the produce with vinegar and then rinse the produce before cooking them. Lemon. Thanks to the citric acid it contains, lemon has great disinfectant and antibacterial properties. We recommend that you combine it with vinegar to make a very effective natural disinfectant. The way to use it is the following. Mix water with lemon and vinegar. You should use a ratio of 3 parts of water to 1 part of vinegar and lemon. Soak the fruits and vegetables for 10 minutes. Then rinse them and dry them with a clean cloth. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a bleach disinfectant and is also used to eliminate fungi. This is useful as some vegetables have a tendency to create fungi, such as tomatoes and mushrooms. It's also important to remember that hydrogen peroxide is a very strong and toxic product if ingested in large amounts, so you must be very careful when using it. To prepare, dilute water with hydrogen peroxide using only 10 milliliters for every 250 milliliters of water. Then you can wash the produce well under the tap before consuming it. Citrus-based disinfectant drops. You can find citrus-based disinfectant drops in your local supermarket. These drops can achieve a similar effect as lemons but with a greater concentration. To use them, you must dilute these drops in water, using 10 drops for every liter of water. Stir the mixture well and soak your fruits and vegetables for 15 minutes. Then dry them with a clean cloth. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and let us know how you disinfect your produce in the comments below. We'll see you next time.